Yeah.
See?
Yeah, but I can see down here. Plenty of room to pee.
You might have to help me cross the water.
Yeah, no, it's not. We were down here that one time. Do you remember a long time ago we took pictures? That's where we're
Oh,
going.
we're still in camera?
Yeah, I know. See, he's over on that other corner. You see that
No, he's
fence?
running straight.
No, he's not. He's back up on that hill. He's way up on that hill. All right, Mother. All right. You can. She's got to throw her little feet up. Of course we're going to go on over the property. We're trying to get to where the turkey is. See, the turkey is straight ahead. You see that?
Yeah.
And their property ends where that fence is.
Well, there's no post. It doesn't say no trespassing.
Well, nobody's going to care because they're neighbors. We're trying to help the turkey out.
He's straight. If he went straight, he's straight.
Yeah, but he's straight. He's straight on the other side of the fence, though. He's straight on a straight line. This property goes this way. Do you understand that? Right? This property goes this way. This way. This
Straight
property,
ahead, right?
yeah. But see that
Well,
fence
that
is
fence line, he's inside that fence line.
No. He's on that side of that fence.
He's on the other side.
Oh, that's right. That's not Dad. That's the neighbors. Don't you understand? That's the neighbors. How did we get across here?
We walk across that thing.
Where? Over here?
Uh-huh.
Should be over here. You know, I got the video camera you got, so maybe bring them up.
He does have a
Well, they got a nice little thing there, don't they? Did I tell you I helped build that house?
You do? Really? Did you got it?
Yeah, it used to be my brother.
Did they have a fence and porch like that?
No, they added that.
Did they always have two-part garage?
Yeah. How did we get across there? You see what we get across over there?
It's inside the property line, I believe.
If it's up there, you'd be right, but I don't think he is.
There.
All right, well, we'll look. But Dad said he didn't have any fences, but I think he has fences. That's why I said that. I think it's on his property because he's got a fence. Where did you get across?
We walked across there too.
Okay.
Honey, it's straight. That's where he is, right over there. Right there. He's right there.
Yeah, that's across the fence, baby. That's across the fence. You see where he's at and you see where the fence is? That's across the fence. You don't see that? Look real fast. It's real weird.
The fence is there.
It's good.
There's foot.
You know, it's twisted stuff. We'll be running back and forth.
Well, he could have something like a piece of wire.
Well, I don't think we're going to be able to help him much. Because he would attack us. They would protect you to death or something.
You can't touch him. You don't have anything to protect you with. They don't kill things like this. He wasn't clean.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Now maybe he was purposely put in a pen. No, we walked across this. We can do the same thing.
What did we walk across?
We walked across this.
We did?
Yeah.
It was thicker.
Well, it might have been, but the whole idea is you're holding on to that. There should be a better way to go across there. See, there's fences up there. You see the fence.
Yeah. He's not in a pen or anything, is he?
Oh, I don't see him now.
There he is.
Where?
Right there.
Where do you see him? I don't see him. I saw him second. Where do you see him at?
He's right there.
Did you move him?
He's right there. Inside this line now. He's not over there. He's over here.
Well, I don't see him at all.
You need a bridge. That's how you did to put a bridge here. That's why I'm looking there. I can't recognize that. It was a bigger plank. It's gone.
Okay. Well, my mother took that pretty good, didn't you, about the bed? She said, I'm proud of you, son.
I know. That's my boy, isn't it?
And then I said, this is my little wildcat. Nice and dry.
Isn't it?
Oh, me. Anyway, oh, Dad gave me like 8 movies.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we gotta get them done.
We'd go across that. Yeah, maybe.
Listen to me. I want to get those done. It's going to cost us. But listen, you might be able to get $5 off this month.
Film. Is it film you're talking
Well,
about?
let me finish what I'm saying, Patty. It's 8mm rolled film. Or 16, whatever. Don't get off the subject. I'm trying to talk to you, man. Well, it's film that they converted to Costco, so what difference does it make?
I didn't know if it was, if it's still film.
Huh?
If the film is just, I had a roll, what do you do?
Okay. Let me say what I'm saying. Really different right now. You're not going to be able to walk across that because there's nothing to hold on to.
You keep across it?
Oh, you can see. Wait a minute, there's a bridge there still there. We'll go across. That is a bridge.
That's a tree.
Patty, that's a bridge.
All right, you tell me. You go down the
Patty, it's a bridge. Come on, let's go. Let me finish what I was telling you about this. They had a special at Costco. I believe it was for March. Okay, Patty, if you don't listen to what I said.
Come on, I'm listening. Come on.
You're not listening.
I am. You should be
They had a special either for February or for March. We can run over to the Costco in the next couple of days and maybe get $5 off each roll. Okay? The price is
They
$15.
converted to what?
DVD. The price is $15 a roll, which isn't bad actually. Did you hear me?
Yeah.
But we might be able to get it for 10. See, this is the bridge. Holy shit!
Oh, she had her babies there last year, remember?
Oh boy, I hope she's not. I want to get her
She'll come
upset.
after you then.
Oh, okay, I want to get her upset. You got babies now? Oh, okay, all right. You don't want to upset her. Okay, Mama. Okay, come on. Okay. Well, that's you. I don't know about me. Anyway, Dad gave me that stuff. He's given that to me. He said, don't let your mother know. Because she's trying to control everything. Oh, honey, look. Somebody's climbing a tree.
Where?
There's a ladder.
Where, baby? Where?
Right there. You see the ladder?
No, I don't.
Look at the tree and look next to the tree.
What am I looking? Oh, yeah. It is here. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Put that ladder down and walk off?
Well, maybe. I wonder what happened to all these trees. No, my dad's not out here climbing the ladder. Oh, okay. Yeah, I forgot they have a name for that, but I forgot what it was. Yeah, tree stand. Oh, I see. That's bolted into the thing. Ain't that some shit? Boy, they don't stand a chance. When you...
But tell your dad that's here. He might not know. I don't think he's going to allow that.
Well, I don't know.
That costs money. That's quality outdoor equipment.
No, it's probably Rodney's.
You think? Well, we'll tell him.
Well, what are we going to do about getting across? I don't think we're going to...
Cross. You want to street cross?
What do you mean scooch? You want that log?
Unless we can move something lower in there and work across it.
No, the only place we can go across is back there, if you want. I'm not afraid to go across there. It's not a problem. Because you're holding on to the fence, Patty.
But it was more than halfway outside.
Well, it might have been. Let's go this way. Boy, this has really changed. Oh, wait a minute. We can almost skip across here, can't we?
Oh, yeah, we can.
Yeah.
Did you drop it, Mike?
I say almost. I didn't say we could. I mean almost could. No, you know what? We can't because it's too far from there to over. Oh, it's too far.
Yeah.
Yeah, my mother took that pretty good, dude. That was funny, wasn't it? I don't know if she'd have do that or not.
Your dad, you know that.
He was laughing too.
He was like that. He had a big smile on his face. I said, and it's all his fault.
Yeah. Now, if you're going to be afraid, I don't want you to do it. Did you hear me? If you're going to be afraid, I don't want you to do it. I don't want you to get up there and act like you're afraid. Right? I'm not holding on to you.